What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be checking out Animal Company, so let's get right into it. Okay, what's up guys, I'm in Animal Company, and I already have been playing this, so yeah, and every day you get these, well, I don't know, but it's sometimes every day, and it's hollow, for some reason. And here's this is some good stuff. This right here, move your gorilla, torso, head, color, animal, all this, hat, face, all these clothing, nothing really. But yeah, I don't really have a lot. And then here is, like, we buy all this stuff, and this is how much money I have, and see if how much money you have. Click on it again. Here's like a map, and then click it again. This, and yeah. So here's like to put in codes and stuff. It's actually a thing, and a really good thing. If you're bored, buy a backpack. Open it up, put a grenade, and then you want to open it and give it to someone. When they dump it, they'll just find a grenade, and then they're like, "Ooh, a grenade!" and then they blow up. So that's something to do when you're bored, and it takes a while to load back in and back in. And there's also kill a boss called Chicken Rat. I'm gonna use this. This is my fighting tool, or I could just blow Chicken Rat up if I wanted to. And it does not blow up. Like, you do not. It does, like, when you pull the grenade, the pin, and then you put it in your backpack, for some reason the grenade does not explode in your backpack. It's only when you take it out. So, and if you hold on to something and you hit it, you can basically have long arms, but just with like tools, kind of, but you just can't pick up stuff. I mean, you can pick up something in your other hand. So, here's Chicken Rat. He lays an egg. If I do this. Oh no. I think that, yeah, I messed that up. Huh. He does get mad at you. So just be careful. Dang it. Okay, that did not work. More fight. I'm gonna die, and I died, bro. See, you can see the egg over there. I'm gonna blow him up. I have to get a grenade though. Grenade. Let's go. And a backpack, because I saw loot you could sell. You can also sell his egg. That's what I'm gonna do. We're like green lights over there too. And then there's also glowfish. So you go straight over there is glowfish. They're honestly really strong, and they take forever to fight and kill. So I'm not gonna bother. Let me just do that. I don't think I did it. Nice. Here we go. grab the egg, put him in my backpack. I also put all this stuff in the backpack. And there's also weighs you down. So, yeah. So don't get too much stuff, because it weighs you down. Oh, one more thing. See how slow I am now? So, open that up, put that on my back. And you can see that I have, that's the capacity. And then that's my health right there. And then that's how much weight I have. So, how to sell it is you come over here. You come over here. Do this. And then you come to the selling place over here. Right here. So you have to go straight right there. Here you go. Here's the selling machine. What you do, grab your backpack. Put all of it inside. There's the egg. Do that and then push the button. And then it'll turn that. You can see it'll come out. And then that's how much bolts I have. So I got extra 530 bolts. So yeah. That's a little bit about that. And let me try to beat the game. Probably die. Try to find a flashlight. Here's how you beat the game. Or I'm gonna go to the sewer. Turn on my flashlight. Don't step on these mines, they will explode you. Calm down. I may die at red light, green light, either way. But if I do, that'll be good. Here we go. And don't touch that red stuff, that'll burn you. Here we go. And here's the light bulb and the eye. That's it. Don't touch this red stuff. Dang it, I made it. Yep, I died. Dang. Well, I mean, that's kind of it. And at the end of the game, you'll get this like battery pack. You put it on your back, and then you go through this low gravity thing. And then when you beat the game, you'll spawn up here. And by the battery gives you 1,000 bolts, so it's really good money. No. So let me just climb up here. Here we go. And you'll spawn right here. Then you'll cross this rope. Then you'll fall down on this machine. And then you'll sell it. And yeah, that's kind of it. So, bye.